Today, we are looking at email marketing unleashed. If you are looking to supercharge your email marketing effort and save time while delivering more targeted messages, you are in the right place. In this video, we are unleashing the full power of email marketing in 4 segments. I'm your host, Amadi God Knows. Segment number 1 is the power of email marketing. Imagine having the ability to send personalized, timely, and relevant messages to your audience without manually pressing send button at every point in time you want to send a mail. That is precisely what email marketing effort can do for you through email automation. It empowers you to send the right messages to the right people at the right time while you focus on other aspects of your businesses. Here are reasons why email marketing automation is truly a game changer. Number 1 is that it improves efficiency. Number 2 is that it enables you to personalize your content. Number 3 is that it improves consistency. Number 4 is that it improves engagements. Email marketing is not just about reaching your target audience directly. It's about delivering value and relevance to your subscribers that fosters trust and build lasting relationship with your subscribers. Segment 2 is type of email marketing. Email marketing offers a diverse range of campaign types, each designed to achieve specific goals and audience engagement effectively. So it is important to choose marketing type that best suits your audience's needs. And some examples of these email marketing automation types are 1. Welcome series email marketing automation. Welcome series emails are automated campaigns that are set up to greet new subscribers and introduce them to your brands. Number 2 type of email marketing types is drip campaign email marketing automation. Drip campaigns are a series of emails sent to your subscribers at predetermined schedule to keep them engaged. The campaign is perfect for nurturing leads, guiding customers through a sales funnel, or providing educational content for their consumption. It allows you to keep in touch with your subscribers and delivering valuable information in digestible portions. What that means is that it sends messages to your subscribers bit by bit that they can be able to comprehend. Email automation type number 3 is abandoned cart email marketing automation. If you are running an e-commerce business, abandoned cart mails are a must-have for you. These automated mails are activated when a visitor adds item to their shipping cart but does not complete the purchase. Abandoned emails will be triggered to remind them of what they have left behind and encourage them to complete the transaction. Number 4 type of email marketing automation is birthday or anniversary email marketing automation. This is set up to celebrate special occasions of your subscribers and incorporating your offers while sending the messages for engagements. These emails often include personalized greetings, exclusive offers, or special discounts to make your subscribers feel valued and remembered on their special occasions. Number 5 type of it is the engagement email marketing automation. These are designed campaigns to win back inactive subscribers who may have lost interest or have stopped engaging with your mails. When sending this kind of mail, you can include compelling offers or surveys to gather feedback and rekindle their interest again towards your products. Number 6 type of it is event-based email marketing automation. This is a type of email automation that allows you to send emails based on specific dates or events of your subscribers. This could include holiday promotions, product launches, or anniversaries of your subscribers with your brand offering included in the campaign. Number 7 is educational series email marketing automation. If you are in a niche where educating your audience is essential, consider creating an educational email series to keep your audience engaged. This could include tutorials, guides, or tips delivered over a sequence of emails. Another type of email marketing automation is post-purchase follow-up email marketing automation. This is a campaign that is designed to check up on customers after they have made a purchase for confirmation of their orders, shipping updates, and offer related product recommendations for customers to see and possibly buy again. This kind of email enhances the customer's experience and drives additional sales. These are just a few examples of many types of email marketing automation that you can utilize for your business marketing purposes. The third segment we'll be looking at in this video is benefit benefit of email marketing automation. Email automation is not just a trend, but is a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way you engage with your subscribers and drive results for you. Some key benefits of email marketing automation are: 1. It helps you streamline your marketing effort by handling repetitive tasks for you while you are busy doing other activities of your business. Number 2 benefit is that it allows you to segment your audience based on their behaviors, preference, and demographics, which enables you to send tailored content to each subscriber, whereby increasing relevance and engagement. Number 3 benefit is that it allows you to maintain a consistent email sending schedule for building and maintaining trust with your subscribers. Number 4 benefit of email marketing automation is that it ensures that your subscribers receive timely updates no matter the time zone or their location, whereby keeping your brand top of mind of your subscribers. Number 5 benefit of email marketing automation is that it enables you to set up triggers that respond to your subscribers' action. For example, if a subscriber opens a mail but doesn't make a purchase, you can automatically send a follow-up emails with additional information or an exclusive offer of your brand to that particular subscriber. This type of real-time response can significantly improve conversion rates for you. I must tell you that emails sent through automation tend to have higher open rates, click-through rates, and overall engagement among all the mails. This is because the content is highly relevant to the recipient and delivered at the right time, whereby increasing the likelihood of them taking the next action. You can track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, or conversion rates to understand what is working and what needs improvement in your strategy. These insights help you refine your strategy over time. The benefit of email marketing automation is endless, but let's just stop here at this moment. Alright? So keep watching to continue uncovering the secret to successful email marketing unleashed. Now let's look at segment 4, which is setting up email marketing automation. It's time to roll up our sleeves and dive into practical side of setting up your email marketing automation campaign. Don't worry, it's not as complex as you think. So let's get started. The first step in email marketing automation is selecting the right email marketing platform that best suits your offer. Look for a platform that offers robust automation features, easy to use workflow, and integrate well with your existing tools. Step number 2 is to define your email marketing goals. Before you create any automation workflow, clearly define your goal by stating what you want to achieve in your marketing campaign, whether it's increase sales, nurture leads, or re-engage subscribers. Having a clear goal in mind will guide your strategy along the way. Step 3 in setting up your email marketing automation is dividing your audience into segments based on their behaviors, preference, demographics, or other relevant factors. Segmentation ensures that you send right content to the right people at the right time, so it is crucial in this process. Step 4 is creating an engaging content for your subscribers' consumption. Your email marketing content is the heart of your automation. Therefore, craft engaging and valuable content that resonates with each segment of your subscriber. Consider using dynamic content that adapts to the recipient's profile or behavior. Step number 5 in setting up your email marketing automation is building your automation workflow. This is a step where you define the trigger action that will initiate the automation process for your campaign, such as a new subscriber joining your email list or taking specific actions like purchasing a product. Another step is personalizing your rules, which is incorporating the rule into your emails. Use subscribers' data to incite their names, location, or other relevant information. Personalized mails are more engaging and effective. Another step is text your workflow. It is important to thoroughly test your workflow before launching your automation to ensure that everything is working as intended. And another step is monitoring and optimizing your automation. Once your automation is live, closely monitor its performance. Keep an eye on key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Use the data you've gotten from the monitoring to make data-driven adjustments and optimize your workflow over time accordingly. Don't forget to segment your audience. Conduct A/B testing regularly, maintain consistency in your brand identity, monitor your campaign's performances, and refine your strategy accordingly. Remember, effective email marketing automation is an ongoing process. As you gather data and insights, continuously refine and improve your workflow for better results. As we wrap up this journey into the world of email marketing unleashed, I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to harness its full potential. Remember, this is not just about saving time. It's about delivering value and relevance to your subscribers. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth email marketing insights. As always, if you have any question or want to share your thoughts on email marketing success, drop them in the comment section below. It's been a pleasure sharing this knowledge with you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay automated, stay efficient, and keep striving for email marketing excellence. GKDJ Mass Channel loves you all. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.